Good morning, students. This is your social science teacher from Anbodhan Prasad Public School. Today I am going to explain the first chapter of civics section Understanding Diversity for class 6. So, in this chapter we will going to study about the diversities which is spread in all over the world, and the meaning of the diversity is the variety and the range we see in the things. So that means the difference of different things, like the food. There are several varieties of food you eat. Sometimes Italian, South Indian, North Indian. So these were the different differences in the food items, and like clothes you wear. Girls are wear the different types of dresses, and boys are wearing the different type of dresses, and even though it have the different type of ranges are there, so these are known as the diversities. In India, diversity can be seen in many things, like the religion we follow, language we speak, the food we eat, the clothes we wear. So many more things in our environment we can see the differences. And you can also look around in your class. You will notice that each one of you is different from the other. Some are girls, some are boys, some are tall, some are short, some are coming to school by bus, some are coming by the bicycles, some are coming to school by walking. So these are the differences. And whatever the language you speak at home, some of the student in your class is a Bengali student, so he or she will speak Bengali in their home, right or not? So every person is having a different type of language they speak at their home, and the kind of a music you enjoy. Some of the students wants to listen the high pitch or rocking music, and some want to listen the slow music. So everyone's choice and habits were different from each other, and different kind of food you like to eat. Some of the students like to eat the South Indian, some of the students like to eat North Indian food, right or not? The differences are obvious. So, and it is equally important in making each one of us unique, because the differences which we have, that differences makes us unique. So this state of being different and unique is called the diversity. And people can be different in terms of race, gender, age, physical attributes and abilities, social economic status, religious beliefs, etc. etc. Now, the next topic of this chapter is a need for diversity. Why we need the diversity? Because diversity make us more unique and knowledgeable. Think some think if each and everyone in the country is having a same language, they are wearing the same type of a cloth. So do you think it is interesting to live in this kind of a world? No, because we want differences. So, when differences are not seen as a reason for discrimination, diversity works wonder. It is only when the diversity is studied and understood in a positive and the nurturing environment that we can rise above religion, reasons, caste, class, etc. So, it is all about to understand and accept to diversity contained with in each individual, because diversity enriches our life. Living with a diverse group of a people help us to learn more from them. Each one of us absorb different cultures and become more tolerant. So that's why it is very important to learn to accept people along with their differences. If you have a friend in your class. So that friend will having the different qualities from you, and you have to absorb all the good qualities from him. So that was a good thing or not? Yes. Now, next topic is our diversity in India. So, India is a land of a diverse culture, religions, and communities. The Indian civilization of India is more than 5,000 years old. So, in India, the civilization, the people which are living in this country, it is more than 5,000 years old. Here, we find people speaking various languages, celebrating different festivals, eating different cuisines, practicing different religions, but still all live together happily as Indians. So that's why we are proud to be an Indian. The diversity in India has always been its greatest strength. हमारे country में we have the diversity and it's our strength. We can see diversity not only in cultures and traditions of India but also in climate as well. Some regions experience blazing heat, and while some places enjoy tropical climate all around the years, also the monsoons are not uniform across the country. Places like Meghalaya receive the highest amount of rainfall, whereas places like Rajasthan hardly get any rainfall. So we have the different kind of climate also, and the coastal areas which is near about the sea, they were always enjoyed a normal type of climate, not very much cold and not very much wet or not very much hot. That type of climate is known as a moderate type of climate. Okay, so these were some of the areas which are near to the sea. They were enjoying always a moderate climate. So due to the diversity in the climate of India, there is a variety of flora and fauna present in the country. Flora and fauna. Flora is considered as a plant kingdom, and fauna is considered as a animal kingdom of the country. So the physical feature of India consists of the various rivers, deserts, different type of forest, fertile plains, long coastal lines and high mountains. These were the different reasons which is in India. So it is also a diversity of the country. To understand diversity in India, let's recall the Republic Day parade. On 26 January, every state tabule is different from the other. The Republic Day parade showcases India's traditional culture and physical diversity. In short, India shows the diversity, and in this diversity there is a unity. In the parade we watch all the different states were doing the parade in their get-ups. So that we will see in these parades, and it shows that how much differentiations and the diversities is in our country, but even though we are unique, we are unite as a power. So this is about these topics, and the next topic, unity and diversity, we will discuss in our next section. Thank you.